Alright everybody, welcome back to another video. So in this video guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make a professional looking logo for free. Now you guys have been coming to me and asking me how do I make my logos. So what I'll be doing guys in this video is showing you guys how exactly I make my logos so you guys can go out and replicate it. So guys, making a logo is very simple. The logo should probably take you around 5 minutes to make. So for the logo, you want to keep it very simple, and that's going to be like the most effective way to make a logo. Now guys, to make your logos, what you want to do is use canva.com. So on canva.com, the logos are free. So you don't have to go out and pay for a logo. All the logos you make on canva.com will be free. So what you guys want to do is go into Google and type in canva.com. As soon as you guys do that, it's going to take you to Canva. What you want to do then is go ahead and make an account, which I've already done. So like right now, I've gone ahead and made an account and signed into my account. And as soon as you guys go ahead and make an account, what you want to do is sign in. And once you guys sign in, it's going to take you to this page. Alrighty guys, so once you guys are signed into Canva and you're ready to make your logo, there's two ways to make the logo. Number one is going ahead and clicking on Create a Design. So what you want to do is click on Create a Design in the top right. So I'll just go ahead and click that. And then once you guys go ahead and click on Create a Design, there is two ways to make it. Number one is just go ahead and click on Logo. So what that's going to do is it's going to use the template that Canva has already made. And you guys can just go ahead and make a logo using that template. The second way to make the logo is by going ahead and using your own custom dimension. Now, this is the way that I do it. So pretty much instead of me going ahead and choosing their logo template, I'll just go ahead and make a custom dimension. So that way, when I go ahead and upload the logo onto my Shopify store, it looks perfect. So what you guys want to do is click on custom dimensions. Now guys, for the width that I use personally is 450. So I'll go ahead and type in 450 pixels for the width. And now for the height guys, I'll go ahead and type in 110. So for the height, I'll type in 110 pixels. So now the dimensions for this template is going to be 450 times by 110. So now this is going to come out perfectly on a Shopify store, and which is why I use this. So once you guys type in 450 for the width and 110 for the height, you then want to go ahead and click on Create New Design. So now once you guys click on Create a New Design, it's going to give you this blank template. Now for the template guys, you guys want to keep the template color white. So you guys do not want to change the color of the background. I actually see like a lot of students who go ahead and change the background color of their template, but guys, you don't want to do that. So the template color has to be white. So that way when you go ahead and upload it onto your store, it just blends in with your store. So guys, for the color of the background, just keep that white. And guys, what you want to do for the logo is just keep it simple. So have some text, have a photo next to the logo on the left, and then in the top right of the logo, have the TM symbol. So a great example of that, guys, is the logo that I made for the program, which is the Miracle Broom store. So like what you guys want to do is go ahead and take a look at the program inside of module 4 and just have a look at the logo that I made there. That is a perfect example. But what I'll do now, guys, is I'll go ahead and make a logo just like the one I made in the program, just so you guys can see how exactly I made that. So the first thing that you guys want to do is have the text. In this case, guys, I'll just go ahead and recreate the Miracle Broom logo. So what you guys want to do is go ahead and click on text on the left, click on add a heading, and from here, guys, just go ahead and type in your store name. So mine is Miracle Brooms, so I'll type that. Okay, so now once you guys have the text written, which should be your store name, what you guys want to do is just go ahead and make the text bigger. So in this case, I'll try maybe 40. 40 seems a bit big, so I'll make it just a little smaller, so 35. That's perfect. So guys, I'll go ahead and use 35. So I'll just place this about here. What I like doing personally, guys, is making the first word the same color as my store color. So for example, if in the top banner, the color is blue, then I'll go ahead and make the first word of the logo blue. So I'll go ahead and choose a blue color. There we go. And then guys, what you want to do after this is just go ahead and have the TM symbol. So I'll just go ahead and click on text again and click on add a heading, then just make a different text. So for this one, I'll just write TM, and this one, I'll make this a bit smaller. So it's at 8 at the moment, and I will just keep it at 8. So for the size of the TM logo, I'll just keep it at size 8. And so what I'll do, guys, I'll just grab this and just pop it into the top right. There you go. And yeah, guys, so that's pretty much like the majority of the logo. What you want to do now is just go ahead and grab a photo and put it onto the left of the logo. So in this case, the store is called Miracle Brooms. So what I want to do is go ahead and take a photo based on the product. So this product, guys, is just a broom. I'll go ahead and click on elements on the left-hand side. And then inside the search bar, guys, I'll just go ahead and type in something like broom. So hopefully they have a design for that. So broom. And there you guys go. So on the left hand side, now Canva has gone ahead and given us a bunch of designs that we can use for our logo. So what you guys want to do is just go ahead and choose a free one. So if it has the crown symbol next to it, that means that's for the pro plan. So you guys don't want to choose those, just go ahead and choose one without the crown symbol, and that's going to be free. Alright guys, and so for this particular logo, I want to go ahead and choose one that is based on the actual product. So on the left hand side, there are a few brooms that I can choose from that are free. So in this case guys, I'll just go ahead and choose this one right here. So I've chosen this one. I'll just go ahead and change the angle of this so it's straight. I'll make it a bit smaller so I can pop it onto the left of the text. And just bear with me guys, I'll just do this real quick. So make that smaller, make it straight, and then pop it here. And guys, for the color, I'll make it match the logo as well. So I'll go ahead and change the orange to about the same blue that I used. And for the gray color, I'll make it black as well. Or what you can do guys, instead of black, is just going ahead and using a dark gray. That's actually what I do myself. So instead of using the black color, I'll just go ahead and use a dark gray. It just looks a bit nicer in my opinion. So I'll just change this black as well to the dark gray. And there you go guys. So this is a professional logo that is free that you guys can use onto your store. So guys, this layout is pretty much the same one that I use onto my stores. So all of my stores have pretty much the exact same logo that looks the same as this. So guys, this is how you guys go ahead and make a free professional logo on canva.com. Now guys, if you want, just go ahead and resize it. So if I want to put this onto the left, it's going to give me a bit more room to make the logo a bit bigger. So I'll go ahead and just type 38. That's a bit too big, so I'll make it smaller. We'll go 36, perfect. So now I'll just use 36. I'll keep the TM as well. I'll make that gray. So just pop that into the gray color as well. And there you go guys. So that's how you make a professional looking logo. If you guys want, you can go ahead and play with the font as well. But guys, for the font, just keep it simple. So you don't want anything cursive. You just want to keep the font very, very simple like this. So this font on screen right now is perfect. If you want, you can go ahead and choose a different font. For example, Cooper Hewitt. This is another example that I like using. And so I'll just make that bold. And there you go. That's another example of the font you can use. So I'll just go ahead and make this a bit bigger. There we go. So guys, that's just another example of a font that you can use. And pop this into the top right. And guys, there you go. And so I'll just make this a little bit taller. And there you guys go. So this is a professional looking logo that you guys can use onto your store. And so guys, this logo probably took me around 5 minutes to make. So logos, just keep them simple guys. It shouldn't take you longer than 5 minutes. And so if I go ahead and just zoom out a little bit, you can see this is what it's going to look like onto your store. So this is perfect guys. This is what it should look like. And guys, it's very, very simple looking, which is perfect. And this is the same design that I use across all my stores. So this layout guys is what I use personally. So definitely be sure to go ahead and copy that same layout. Alright guys, so if I zoom back in just a little bit, you guys can see the background color is white, so make sure that the background is white, just so that way it blends in with your store. And yeah guys, so that is pretty much all for the video. The logos should maybe take you about 5 minutes max to do. Just keep it very, very simple and you guys will do great. So yeah guys, that is how you guys make a professional looking logo using canva.com for free.